Hello, and welcome to my projects video for April through June 2017. I've been a bit lazy in putting together this video, but also with my side projects in general. There hasn't been a huge amount of progress in this time period. The highlight this time is Ludum Dare 38. It had been about 8 years since I last joined a Ludum Dare. I decided to join this one at the last minute without really thinking too much about it. I should have looked back and reminded myself how difficult it is to make a game in 48 hours. But instead, I charged ahead with a huge plan and, unsurprisingly, didn't get as far as I needed to by the time the deadline came around. Still, it was a fun experience, and I'm planning to continue developing the game that I built. I made a time-lapse video of the 48 hours I spent working on my game, and then got far too carried away over the next several weeks with the judging process, playing other people's games on Twitch, trying to leave constructive feedback, and closely following what the community was talking about. One other big project that I finished early in April was building a software platform for designing and rendering video loops. This is what I used to make the circuit video loop that I used heavily in the last project video, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I also now have a queue of new effect ideas to build for this system. After having some audio issues with the last project video, I designed and 3D printed a quick hacky mounting system to attach a pop filter to my microphone. Other than that, I made some progress on the LCD controller project. I've assembled the first few boards and spent some time working on the firmware. I also built some software to produce font data, but unfortunately there's nothing to show off yet. And finally, I tested a revision to the Triax circuit on the Ice Maker control board, which also failed, but in a slightly less flashy way. I suspect the Triax on this board have been damaged by my previous failures, which may have caused this problem. The project has been put on the back burner for now, but I'd like to figure out what's going on with it eventually. That's all for these 3 months. Progress is picking up again, so I plan to make these videos a bit more often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.